Hello and welcome back to another video. My fidget spinners came. Yay! I'm gonna actually show you what they do. So yeah, this is basically what they do for anybody who likes them. And yeah, and you can do like tricks with them, but big news. That was awkward. Anyways, I have like news for you. It's not like any old boring news. It's quite good because we've been looking about getting pet goldfish or fish, because it doesn't really matter what type of fish that. Just mind my face, please. I got hit in the face by a tennis racket. Good start for life. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna buy the tank first, and obviously we're gonna go to Pets at Home. Gosh, what's happened to my camera? Technical difficulties. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go to Pets at Home, buy the tank, and then we're done.